Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to network. I'm your host, Spioga Makeleni, and I'm with Spio Matswani.
Yes, man.
Yes, man. Mapiwana Grant.
I'm not.
Yes. Mapiwana, good news, man. Kaizer Chiefs has signed Dylan Shepherd as the assistant coach, since we know Fernando is the head coach. And we know that Dylan is the former co-coach, assistant coach with Atazwan. Then they were petty team grand. So what's your take regarding this move?
No, that's a good thing. You look at the time that the guy has already in the team.
Yeah.
You look at the knowledge of the team.
Yeah.
You look at how he has understood the culture.
Yeah.
You look at how he's been, where he's been.
Yeah.
He's been in the DDC, working with young boys. He can be able to tell the coach, although he's a second assistant, the guy comes with another assistant.
Okay.
I think the assistant is 35 years. I forgot his name.
Good.
Which is great.
Yeah.
He's from Egypt, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Yeah, so now he's the second assistant. So he'll be like the guy who's able to connect with the players.
Yeah.
Because he used to play soccer in South Africa, although he's white or colored, I'm not, or Afrikaner or whatever, but he's a South African. So he knows the culture. Bradley Cross, because he's white, he doesn't know the culture. He knows the culture, he knows how to dance, he knows the songs that they sing in the tunnel.
Yeah.
He might not understand what they mean,
Yeah.
but he knows the culture, he knows the environment. So that goes with the same with Dylan Shepherd. Whereas the culture,
Yeah.
he used to be a good player.
Yeah.
I believe he's psychologically strong,
Yeah.
based on that terrible injury
Yeah,
that
that
he had.
injured leg of the leg.
Exactly, when the leg broke. But he came back from that.
Yeah.
As long as you are able to come back from any situation, psychologically you are strong.
You are strong.
He coached the TTC. The TTC was doing well, so he's been there in the setup of Kaizer Chiefs. So he will be a good eye and an ear for Kaizer Chiefs if he dedicates himself, if he's disciplined, if he's punctual, if he does everything according to par. Maybe he might be the next Kaizer Chiefs coach in waiting. He might not even know himself.
Yeah,
You understand?
definitely.
But right now, this is a chance for him to go and help. He must not go there to sabotage the guy. You know how these guys are.
True,
But
true.
South Africa goes and sabotages the coach because he's looking for the job himself.
Yeah.
So just go there.
Like Nabi felt with his
Like Nabi
assistants.
felt with his assistants. Let's not even go far.
Yeah.
Like Nabi felt with his assistants. So let him go there and do the job, help the team, do whatever it takes to improve the team. I believe he's acquired technical acumen to be able to help progress the team. So yeah, it's a good thing. Nami ngiti, congratulations, siyabonga. But I'm not entirely happy. One signing. The league is about to start not long. So I keep on a date. League. Or maybe let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Guy one.
Yeah, Guti, maybe they might announce others as time goes by.
Maybe they're waiting for Fernando de Cruz to come. Ngobuza May once got July. With us, Megeli squad in Mwaki. Assess I'm a player. Which ones are not doing well? Which ones does he prefer? Which ones does he want to let go? But you never know. But by now, according to the time that they fired Nabi, they could have sorted out all these things.
Yeah, during these players that he wants, during that time as Badala, so that because of Konamanje uvaliwe, season ivaliwe, then if you want to buy players, how are you going to buy players?
The window is about to open soon. But for me, you fired Nabi September. You put the two co-coaches, which you knew that they were not going to be there. They said they were setting them up for failure.
Yeah.
That's what the interviewer said.
Yeah.
They're setting you up for
Yeah,
failure.
indeed.
Because they want them to do what? To win the league or be number 2. Which the guy says, according to that squad, the best that we could have done is number 3 or 4.
Number 3 or 4.
Which they did it.
Khalil, yeah.
You know? Which they did it. Okay, sharp. Why didn't during the time Besa coach, Fagu coach from behind, which in the verbal agreement, I'm going to sign you. I want you to look at the players that you impress lana and try and find your own players, bring your own recruitment. But when they didn't do that, they wait until he comes. Of course, man, a verbal agreement. If any team you're near figure signings, that's a verbal agreement.
It's a verbal agreement.
You didn't have anything on paper. Now you can change it. You can speak to 10 coaches and say, player.
But what you're saying is true, but at least they could have given him a homework.
Exactly.
So when you're given a homework, when you come and work, things they become much easier, much better.
That's true.
Now you work with something, you have an idea of what kind of these players are, which players you can add and whatsoever. But we are not good players, we're not given a chance because of some of these coaches, they are my favorites. Because of you talk about players like Mbule, they'll tell you Guti Mbule was a good player, because the Mabasa, good players, just that Guti, he was not a favorite Yaga coach. So some of these players back out because of they are not my favorite of a coach.
But man, we are living in an era of technology right now. Just because the guy did not play this game does not mean that you can't watch 10 games ago. You understand?
Yeah.
Just because I today or bench the whole season. If the guy, when we are telling this guy is a good player, because there's something that you saw, that you aspire to in a player. Boxing from Ama side or Shama dead man run. As a coach, if you are born and the guy is not playing, you can try and talk to him when you understand, Chief. I know that you're not playing. There's something that I saw in you. I saw that you like to delay your runs before you get a paleni. I saw this and that. So I want you to gain back your confidence. I'm going to give you 1 season with me. If you prove me wrong, these people were benching you. I need you home for now.
Yeah, true.
But if I'm on a homework, he wasn't even going to be able to do what I'm talking about now.
So what about players like Abu Swani? Those who were on loan, they did not play. How are you supposed to see those? How are you going to see those boys?
Yeah, that's his time now to come. Homework yakhe lebo ukhuluma ngayo bekazoyenza dala abone ukuthi uzwani umshembu in the middle field uyamthola. He doesn't lose so much balls, but he's a little bit lazy. Maybe I can help him with that. I need you a coach to help to coach players improve.
True.
So that's where he was going to come in and help them. But maybe he did not do his homework. Angithi ucoach kancane wahamba wayesebenza ku Federation yase Morocco bekabhizi ngale nto leyo. So my only advantage is that maybe usakhumbula kancane based on that short stint akayihleli. But hayi kuzobonakala.
Yeah, after all it's about Dylan. It's no longer about these players.
It's about Dylan Shepherd. Congratulations, Dylan
Congratulations,
Shepherd. It's not about these players or these coaches. So siyakubongela mfethu. Sisabongela abantu nabantu please cela sinisibongele nathi ake nisibongele ngokusubscribe nathi sokunikeza iPhone sobongele bakubongele ekhaya mawuyikhipha so thi but you're using an iPhone it's Pro iPhone 14 Pro. Please subscribe so that you stand a chance to win this iPhone, and also like this video. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Love and peace.
Tango.
Tango.